Hello guys, it's Trado Queen. How are you? It's on a Saturday and I'm in my backyard and I am in my backyard garden and it looks bad and I feel like I need to do something. So I'm planning on going to buy more seedlings so that I can come and do something in this garden. So let's go there. I would have wished to distract, but I'm not sure whether we'll manage to record. But this is how extract of Nairobi looks like. It's not, this side of Nairobi, it's not that populated. Yes, but it will be in future. And here you'll find homes and few flats. Hi. Nimekuja kwa my friend analisha kuku and akona bolea ya kuku. So I decided to come in and collect so that I can put in my garden. Yeah, you can see the project of my friend. She has few chicken still in the city. Oh, well, thank you. Sawa, eh? Sawa. Guys, I am here. This is where I shall come to get seedlings in my garden. Want spinach and kales mostly. So they just don't want to carry me. You can see a lot of seed beds. This should be lemongrass. Yeah, he has like everything. Bali zenyu?
Mzuri, karibu sana mwaka mpya.
Mmenikumbuka?
Ndio gari ndio ndio.
Nikwenda.
Kuoneta leo kiria.
Sasa kijana?
Msalimie. Ndio kwenda swale. Ndio kuishi ndio kuja. Jita baba. Ngoja nimali.
Sawa. Si ni Januari. Sasa unajua ukinunua tu mboga upande. Lakini wewe ni shamba ukiona umenunua matunda hivyo. Ni plot? Aki.
Nimepanda miti.
Nikaipanda na hiyo miti. Sawa. Okay. Get this strawberry. Maybe I should get like one. I don't know if this selling is how much. This is fancy. This is Tania. This in 7. Want this. I really loved this serum. Really loved it. Today I want to curly a few. Look at this. This is, I don't know, pretty, but it is a form of belly. Very sweet. Okay, look at this one. this is smelling so nice. It's making this place to smell so nice. Now I'm ready for my garden. You can see what I have bought here. My seedlings, but I'm going to give you an overhaul when planting. But this part of my garden looks like this, but these ones I'm not going to remove them. What I will do, I'll do top dressing. Yeah, so let's first we do that. And this is the whole sack of the manure that I have gotten. Yeah, that is chicken manure. So guys, I need to harvest these greens before I start top dressing this part here. So let's do that. Guys, check out my harvest, my organic harvest. A little, and I shall use this knife. Yes, because panga it's big for the container, so I'm going to use this. I try to loosen the swell, because if they stay like this for long, the swell usually happens. Eh? 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 Here I have these 2 sacks that I need to put the soil in containers because they are very old and they are pouring the soil down. So I need to put that soil in plastic containers so that I can plant in them. Of wood. This is wood here. So this is wood all out. It's a small garden made of wood, and I want to make sure that I put a lot of manure here, and then I plant some of my seedling here. I used to be affected by the shade from these trees, but I decided I got someone to cut the branches, so I hope that it will do better. So let's do this. Hope my camera will be able to. Because of me putting kitchen waste in these containers. I never throw away. Just check here also. Just check here. Guys, just check. Yes, this one they improve the soil. They make sure that the soil breaks down. So me doing this in these containers, it's because if you don't change the soil, over some time, the soil hardens. You can see like this. So the soil usually hardens. And you can see the way this celery is doing so amazing. Yes, I have got several. So I'm going to do to show you before I plant what I bought. Yes, it's doing so amazing. So you have to, if you have planted in containers, you have to keep on doing this, even if not daily. Yes, and here I have a pawpaw, and I'm lost on what to do with it. I feel like I should cut it down, and I'm not even sure whether this is a female pawpaw. I feel like it's a male. So guys, check like this sack of mine. It has hardened. So that one, I'll make sure that I remove it in future. Make sure that I remove it. Like this, check. The swell usually, this is so hard. The swell usually harden. This one looks like that. It never gets water. So the soil usually hardens. So you have to always keep on doing this, because you want even your plant that you have planted for it to have ease of getting the nutrients in the soil. But when the soil is hard like this, your plant will have issues. So me, all my kitchen waste, I always put in my container. And check these are maize cobs. Me everything. You will even find lice here. You have to get that celery. It's doing. I almost cut it. It's doing so well. And that is why I'm doing this with a knife, with a kitchen knife, because the kitchen knife will be able to penetrate in the container. Wow. The hard part is over. So now I fix myself a cup of tea, and then we will meet in the evening as I plant. Yes, I am tired. They are very healthy snack, as a snack, or if you do not want to eat lunch, you can have this. They are usually healthy. So I'm going to put some salt. And some oil. Put a lot. And then I keep on stirring. And I keep on stirring. If you are a person who watches your weight, this is a really good snack. Yes. They are rich in nutrients and fiber. They are rich in good oils, and they are going to make you feel fuller for longer. And I'm going to take this on. So this is absolute, and here is my tea. So this will just keep on standing because you do not want them to burn. Reduce the fire. And they are really good when they are cold. Like after you have cooked them, and then you give them time to cool. They're so nice. They are not as nice when they are hot, but they are really good when they are cold. This is a really good snack to have in your kitchen, and if you ever want me to give you my supplier, I will be ready to. This man delivers at my doorstep, and currently he's selling to me for 40 shillings per kg. In the supermarket, I wonder you get this at such an amount. Yes, in the supermarket they will be super expensive, but this man is selling them to me at. I think they're ready because I don't want them to burn. So let me switch off, and then I cover them so that they can cook for the remaining part. So let me warm my tea, and then let's meet back. Guys, this is what I bought. So this is celery. I really liked this variety. It is very nice. This one you grow and you continue just picking the leaves, and this this one here. And it's doing very good. I would advise anybody with a space to get this variety of celery. You can see it here. They're doing amazing in my garden. So I got several of those. You can see I got a lot of spinach. This is a lot of spinach. In my garden, I'm always growing spinach because they usually do really well. Usually do really well. Okay, so you will find spinach in my garden. And these are kales. These are normal kales. Yes, these they are usually from seeds. Yes, so these ones I'm planting. Those are normal kales. These are celery also. I really like celery. Yes, and I have, this is parsley. This is parsley. So this is parsley. And these ones they are like this here. Yes, and these you pluck the leaves, so it's a really good variety for you to grow in your garden. And then I have this leek. This one I bought for cooking. Yes, and I got a few seedlings, so I want to plant